There are strong indications from the provisional government that progress is being made toward restoring student union after a year of suspension. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Chief Minister Mohammad Suhail Afridi has hinted at the possible revival of the student union, stating that such platform play a vital role in promoting democratic participation among students and nurturing future leadership. Speaking during a meeting of the Labour Department, the Chief Minister emphasized that restoring student union will allow students to engage constructively in democratic process and develop leadership skills essential for the future. According to official statement, the issue of student union was discussed in detail during the meeting. A resolution in favor of their restoration has already been passed by the Provisional Assembly. A dedicated committee has been formed to present recommendation and authority are working on balanced code of conducting its consultation with all relevant stakeholders. Officials say that formal legislation will be soon introduced to define the structure, scope and regulation of the student union. While no final timeline has been announced, the government recent step suggests that the revival of student union in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is no closer than revival of student union could mark a significant shift in student politics and democratic engagement in the province.
Do you know that the probability of fatal traffic accidents have decreased up to 26% in Lahore, and in the general urban areas of Punjab up to 51%, and even according to the DIG of police, around 13 districts collectively have recorded fewer than 2 fatal accidents in the year 2026. The reason behind that is the initiative taken by the current government of Punjab and the regularization taken or ensured under the supervision of Chief Minister of Punjab, where stricter traffic rules were ensured and higher challans and penalties were charged in case of violations. In this particular regard, now when the traffic has been regularized, the Chief Minister of Punjab has taken a new initiative and directed the legislation, the Punjab Assembly in this regard, to provide a relief to the citizens in terms of the penalties they are being charged for violations. And in this particular matter, on Wednesday, among seven other bills, Punjab Assembly has passed another bill in which a greater amount of relief has been provided in terms of penalties and fines to the citizens. In cases of the motorcyclists, their violations that would charge them around 2,000 rupees before would now charge them only 1,000 rupees. But the serious violations are still going to incur them with 2,000 rupees fine. But one thing that is worth mentioning and is pertinent to remember, that this facilitation or relief does not mean or imply in any regard that serious violations like overspeeding will be tolerated by the traffic wardens and under the traffic regulations. How do you see this development? Do tell us about your opinions and perceptions in this regard in the comment section below. Thank you.